Hi there. So you are tired of using ChatGPT and you want to run something locally on your machine. Then let Tara tell you what this is all about. Tara?
You may ask, what is LM Studio? LM Studio is a desktop application for running large language models locally. It lets you download and use open-source AI models with a simple interface. All processing happens on your machine, keeping data private and secure. It supports chat and local API usage without relying on the cloud. You may also ask, why use LM Studio? Privacy first. Your prompts and data never leave your computer. No internet or cloud required once models are downloaded. Free and open model friendly. No subscriptions or API costs. Great for learning and development. With chat and local API support.
Thank you, Tara. The instructions for this video can be found in our blog. Please have a look down below for the link. Enough said. Let's get our hands dirty. In our instructions, you will find the link. Click on this link and download LM Studio. You need to choose your operating system, Mac, Windows or Linux. The rest should be fine. x86 is fine and the latest version is fine. Now you can click this to download. As you can see, we've already downloaded this, so we are not going to do that. Once you've downloaded, launch it. That's fine. And this is a very easy installation. For Linux and Mac, please look at our instructions. We will pause the video. Click on Finish and it will launch LM Studio. You will now get a button to download your first LLM. And when you click on it, it will take you to this page. We are going to search for Ollama. The reason I'm choosing this one is it's a small one and it will run on a small laptop. This laptop has 16 gig of RAM. It will run on this laptop. However, if you have a laptop with 32 gigabyte of RAM, you can run the larger language models, even those with 30 billion parameters. Having found the language model we want to download and install, we click the download button, we'll pause the video. Now it informs us that the download has completed and we need to load the model. Click here and you wait for this to finish and now we are ready to use it. And eventually we get the answer to our question about Texas. As you can see, this was quite easy to do. We trust you found this interesting. Please give us a like, subscribe to our channel as we haven't reached our target yet. And with that, we greet you. Thank you, dude. Cheers.